New York School of Flowers are with two smiling students who happen to be husband and wife. Okay, now switch designs. Move to a different one. Okay, now, here's the game we're gonna play. One of these is mine. This kind of a little bit wild, roguish one. This really beautiful one. And this sort of in between the two. Which one did the professor do? How long have you been designing flowers, my dear?
A few months. Since February.
You, young man?
About the same. Yeah.
About the same. And I can't tell which one is mine. This is their first day of master's class. We're doing large event designing. All right, move around again. Just like that game show, What's My Line? Okay, Daryl, shall we go? All right, now, who guesses? Is this one mine? Number one. Is this one mine? Number two. Spin that one around. That's lovely. Look at that. Perfection. And spin this one around. This sort of roguish, a little bit wild, sort of masculine. Which one do you think that one is? Now, stand by your arrangements and reveal. This is like What's My Line, the game show. Stand by your arrangements and reveal which one is yours. There you go. 1, 2, and that one over there is mine. I like theirs better. How hard was it doing your first day of large event design?
Not hard.
Not hard.
Not hard.
No. I'm teaching them really the go-to commercial designs that every designer pumps out if they're smart and they know what they're doing. And we converted a couple of things into this large centerpiece. Yes, that one's mine. Here we go. And there we go. What do you hope to get from your week of large event designing, in your words?
More confidence.
Yeah,
in,
more confidence.
Taking on jobs that would require this.
Yeah, they own, what's the name of your company?
Front Porch Flora.
Front Porch Floral. Tell us about it.
We do outdoor flower arrangements and as far as potted plants. We also do indoor arrangements covering Valentine's, Mother's Day, and events.
And they do all of Long Island. I want you to call them because they're, well, look at their first day in master's class. They're very talented. They work together, and they're lovely people. So, and you're expecting your third child, aren't you?
Yes.
As we speak. So they need some flower support.
Yeah.
Front Porch Flora. What is the phone number?
631-533-9727.
They will handle your flower needs. I love the idea of their front porch pots being changed up. And do you do live plants, or do you, if somebody wants just pine branches in the wintertime
Yes.
put into
Yes.
dirt?
Yes, those are our winter arrangements.
Yeah, they can do that too.
It's a flower arrangement, but with the winter greens.
Yeah,
That's basically what we're doing. Stephanie.
And Daryl Knight.
Stephanie and Daryl Knight, two rising floral stars in the Long Island area. They're about an hour out of the Hamptons, so they can go there anytime you want for your summer soirees and your weddings. And I'm always here to help them and guide them. They're going to be superstars. Get them while you can.
Couldn't do it without your help.
Thank you. Daryl's been to my classes before. She has not. So she came in saying she gets nervous, the usual, which you will. Flower designing is following patterns. All top designers follow these patterns that I'm teaching them. I just know how to explain it really well. And then life is easy. You look at flowers, you go, I got it. It's like Rubik cubes or puzzles.
Right.
Very simple to do once you know the formulas. And they're basic, easy formulas. Flower School 101.